Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a color change working back loop only. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch into my next stitch here, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to grab the color change yarn, put that over my hook here and pull that through. That's going to be my color change, my first stitch of the next row. The rest of this row is going to be worked in back loop only. So we're going to take our yarn and we're going to go into just the back loop of the next stitch. So I'm going to go right here, yarn over and pull through. And going into the next stitch, just that back loop only. So when you're going into the back loop, instead of having 2 loops on your hook, you're going to just have 1. Okay, and it should look like that.